morning, you guys. I have to be quiet because the boys are still sleeping. It's currently 7:34 in the morning. This is the time where I get up 7 to 10 every Monday through Friday, and I work my little part-time survey job. So you think we're rich. It's because we do so many things. So yeah, I knocked this out early in the mornings so that way I have the rest of the day to do, like, take care of Miles and then run the RV park and work on Miles Ahead marketing. So we got our hands full, you guys.
Welcome back, guys. Day freaking 5. Let's go. All right, so it is the middle of the day. Today is the day that I was supposed to be going to get our new car. I should say we were going to get our new car. And then, well, I went to go test drive it. I wanted to make sure whoever bought it would buy it with it running right on an NA motor and not turbo anymore. And then I realized that I don't have the freaking stock primary weights. So I tore my shop up for an hour and a half. I got a conference call and we were going to get it today. Now, doesn't look like it's going to happen. So then I put a post on Facebook and I'm like, hey guys, anybody got a stock Pro or clutch kit? Well, guess what? I got to thinking about it. Bam! I had 2 sets of them. So that's good. Anyhow, long story short, I don't know if we're going to get the car today or not. We're going to try.
So we've got our little garden greenhouse here for our starters. Miles has the spray bottle and he's doing a great job spraying everything except for the soil. So we've got to fill all of these little, you're dangerous with that thing. Look at your face. Okay, spray the soil, baby. Spray the soil. Can you spray the soil? There you go, good job. So the seeds we've got Miles picked this one specifically. So we've got some zinnias, some wildflowers, some peas, tomatoes, basil, squash, peppers, parsley, dill, and summer squash. And oh, babe, you're supposed to, no, stop. You're supposed to spray the soil, Miles. I literally put him in clothes that he can get dirty in today, knowing that we were gonna get dirty with this little project. So I just love doing the community garden because it gives, you know, we get people involved, and now we're eating this soil. Luckily it's organic and clean soil. So that's our little project here. So we're just, you guys are just gonna help us, yeah, huh? Gonna help us make the garden. Oh, we got phone calls coming in. Okay, be back.
Okay, guys, we got the clutch kit in. We're running on a time crunch, man. And honestly, it doesn't really matter if I have the car today. I would be recording all this, but I literally am just busting my butt. I'm trying so hard to get this car done because it's gonna make Chris happy. I'm happy to get a new car. Don't get me wrong, guys. I know you're thinking, oh, this guy's just entitled. He's not happy. He's getting a new car. I am happy. I'm happy that my family gets to be together. But I'm going to miss my 2-seater. And a lot of my friends have said that a 4-seater is awesome. It rides better. So I'll be the judge of that. I've drove 4-seaters. I've never done like all day with them or anything. It's going to take some getting used to, I think. But let's get her on a trailer. Okay, guys, got the trailer on, and we got a little sleepyhead. He was taking a nap. I didn't know that, and yeah, so I think he's still asleep. Oh no, he's awake. He's gonna be grumpy.
We ain't got no pants on, no shoes. I literally just picked him up. He was dead asleep.
Oh, bro, you look homeless. All right, we gotta go.
We gotta go.
Yeah. Guys, I love my wife. I know y'all probably think he is a jerk to her. I'm gonna tell you something. If I'm ever going to do something on my own, add 45 minutes if my wife is gone. We're biting the bullet on time to make this work. So I did kind of call her, to be fair. I did call her at like the last minute.
And I just had to wake a baby up. So.
And she has to be nice to me when we're on camera, guys. But when I turn the camera off, I promise you, she's mean to me. She beats me. She hits me. Blink twice if I need help. There's a bunch of blinks.
Let me blink.
Do you know where we're going, buddy?
Whoa.
Do you know where we're going? We're going to get a ride.
Are you so excited for a new ride, Miles? Is that a good way to get woken up? I was hoping you would. Oh, you smacked me. I was hoping you would just stay asleep and I could just tuck you in the car seat. And you would.
By the way, guys, the reason he hasn't gotten a haircut is because we can't afford one. We can afford a $50,000 machine. It's really not $50,000, but you know what I'm saying. We can't afford a $15 haircut.
He's beautiful. He don't need no haircut, huh? You smell
Damn,
like
look at Patty Mayo. Look how good she looks. Look at, she is shining right now in that Utah sun. Oh,
Does look good.
the best she's ever looked is the day that we're gonna sell her.
I know. It's
Or get rid of her.
sad. Watch you hit
Yeah.
the trailer.
No, I hope not. Whoever gets this car, she needs a little bit of love, but not a ton. So you're gonna get a pretty decent car. I know they're gonna sell it for cheap. I'll let you guys know whatever they sell it for. But all right, we'll be back. I got stuff to do.
Do you want to record? Daddy's just gonna drive around. That's one way to do it. All right. What's that, Miles? Is that your ride? Got a, yeah. There we go. That's better, babe. You're a little crooked now, but that's okay. We got RVs rolling in the park, you guys. It's a beautiful day. Look at that sun. Look at that aura around it. Wow. It's a beautiful day to trade in P. Mayo, huh, Miles? Is that your ride? Are you ready for a new ride? What do you think? You think he's gonna understand? Like, this ride's no more? That made me sad. I know, it's kind of sad. Did you clean out all of the doors and drawers and packages and compartments? Yeah? Okay, let's get in the car seat so we can go get a new ride. I know, he thinks we're going for a ride. No, baby, we're gonna go ride in the Jeep, okay? Oh no, oh no. There she is. I spotted her. I spy with my little eyes. A new Rai. Right up front. It looks like they actually cleaned this
Yeah,
one.
they cleaned this one. They learned from the last time I was here. But I brought them a semi-clean machine too, guys. So it's not like, don't want to hit that trailer or this very nice truck. Yeah, so this is awesome. We have lots of stuff to do, guys. We'll be back in 1 second.
What's that, baby? Rai? Yeah? Hold on, Daddy's got to pull her down, okay? What you think? Is it a little confusing? Because you want to go in, huh? Let's see Daddy pull her off. Such a clean car, you guys. If you're interested, come to Karl Malone ADS in Ogden. You can be the next owner of Patty Mayo, huh? Yeah. Hold on, let me tell Daddy. Oh, he wants to be by you in there. You want to go in with Daddy? There you go. Hey.
One last final ride.
Look at that cute little guy. She sounds so different with everything being stock again. Oh, what a clean machine. She's a beauty.
Good job, Miles. Did you park your machine?
It's our last ride in this thing.
It's the last ride. All right. Should we check all of our... Got some bolts in there. Everything's empty. Got a Viper shifter. 1% faster every day. Karl Malone. Well, thank you, sir. What's he doing? Huh? What's going on? Where's he going?
It'll definitely be muted. I
I
just
want to blur out some photos,
Yeah.
mute some stuff.
It's just a special moment in our life. Thank you guys for doing that. I know
Yeah.
you guys have been so
Yeah,
good to us every time, and that was.
Sometimes it's got to be held like in the right spot. If not, try to insert. Yeah, like that one.
All right, babe. Talk, or did you already talk?
No, I just signed papers and signed my life away. Goodbye.
Goodbye. Thanks to Carson. Carson's the man. Thank you, Carson.
Always.
He went through. Guys, let me tell you something. He even found me another machine, because y'all probably thought it was gonna be that part, but you didn't know when I was joking around with him. But I was like, oh, look, it's all rusty there. The battery don't work. So they went and you got another machine, right?
Couldn't have it rusty.
No.
Couldn't have it rusty. Not for you.
So you went to the other store and got us another one, huh?
Had to.
Look
Yes,
at that.
sir.
That's a good man. Tell them your number. How do they get in touch with you?
You can just call my cell 801-940-3661.
Yes. Nice. And guys, if I bought 3 cars here now from Karl Malone, I shopped around. I tried to find a better deal. I couldn't. And I'm not saying that you'll get the same deal as me, because there's not many 25s left at this point. But I can say that they gave me a good deal. They gave me a fair trade value. And now we're going to take our 4-seater. Oh.
Emotional. Wait, emotional.
Okay, we're going to take our 4-seater. Now the whole family ride together, thanks to Carson. He never gave up.
That's true. We tried.
Rockstar.
We're going to load her up.
You succeeded, dude.
Yeah. This one starts.
This one starts.
She started. No gas.
That's okay. I brought you one with no gas.
Hey, it's fair trade.
Fair trade, fair trade. Ooh, that sun is blinding. She's sparkly. Come this way a little, babe. We're good?
Thank you.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
There you go. You got to make it like a movie. This is how Hollywood does it.
I know, right?
guy.
Something like that.
Oh my
Okay,
gosh,
sweet guys,
Miles.
appreciate
Thank
you.
Go
you.
get another house, brother.
Yes,
You're
sir.
Or
amazing.
go get a house.
All right, Miles.
Thank you so much.
You ready to take your new machine home?
Thank
See you later. Let's take her home, huh?
All right, Miles.
You gotta name her. We gotta come up with a name. Is that a wrap? We did it. I guess the moral of this story is never say never. Because
Never might happen.
Well, there it is. Never say never, guys. Man, thank you guys so much for watching our videos and our 30-day challenge. We are doing everything we can to come up with new ideas. We're going to go to cool places, new explored places. We're going to just like kind of show you guys stuff that we don't typically do, but we appreciate you guys so much for watching. If you're like, why is he talking like that? It's because these guys, it's probably backwards, because phones, when you do the forward-facing camera, makes everything backwards. But peanut butter pretzels for the win. We just want to tell you thank you guys so much for watching these videos and being subscribers. And don't forget to jump into our Patreon. We're actually making a separate video or two to start off with our Patreon. So if you're not a member, check the link that's in the pinned comment. Other than that, we got some awesome sponsors that have already jumped on board to start this build and kick it off. So we're really, really excited to build this car, and it's not going to happen in 2 weeks. I don't have the money. Krista doesn't have the money. We collectively do not have the money, but we're going to try our hardest to make this a unique build. I want it to be something different. If you paid attention to any of our cars throughout the years, they've always been different. I do not want to look like every other person out there. I want you to be able to see us and be like, wow, that's Off-Road Diaries, like doing it different. And some of you guys are like, that's stupid. I don't really care. It's whatever. But it's the way that we like to build them. We want them to stand out and grab your attention. And most of all, now we get to ride as a family. And a four-seater is hard. It was a hard choice, but it was the right choice. And sometimes you have to give up things you want and not be selfish, but be selfless. And yeah, it's a hard word. Selfless means to have the act of caring about others before yourself. And my family means more to me than I do to myself. And I'm just so excited to share this build with you guys and to start a different chapter in our channel. So hope you guys have a great night. Please subscribe to our Patreon. There's going to be some inside videos there that you won't see on our YouTube channel, and it's just gas money for us. Like Krista said at the beginning of this video, she works part-time job. She wears 10 hats. My wife works twice as hard as I ever will, and I'm so appreciative of her and all she's done to just help with building our family. So we love you guys, and we hope you have a great night. Tune into the next video, and I'm going to tell you guys some things we're going to do, companies we're going to work with, and show you the car. So have a great night or morning or day. See you later. Bye.